I'm Ann Breivik, Graduate Program Director for Food Science at Mount Mary University, and this is Lexi. Lexi is one of my food science students. We're going to teach you a little bit today about pH and using cabbage as a pH indicator. We're just using regular food that you might have around in your kitchen or that you can easily get at the grocery store. We're going to use lemons, red cabbage, regular baking soda, and these are going to give us different colors that are going to be fun to watch. All right, Lexi, let's have you go ahead and cut up the cabbage into about 1-inch chunks, okay? Great job on the cabbage, Lexi. All right, now we're going to go ahead and cut open the lemon, and we're going to squeeze the juice out into your measuring cup. We need about 1 ounce.
1 ounce?
Okay, all right. All right, so here we are at the stove. We have 3 pans on the stove, 1.5 cups of water boiling. Lexi has her cabbage all divided up into thirds. We have our baking soda. You're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and your 1 ounce of lemon juice. Lexi is going to put the baking soda and the lemon juice in one of each of the pans. The third pan is the control, and so there is nothing to put into that water. Great job, Lexi. All right, so we have 3 different colors of cabbage now. Show us the one that had no treatment whatsoever. So the purple cabbage, yep. So here's the purple cabbage that is our control. You can see that it is a real beautiful violet purple color. And everything then compared to this will tell us the differences in color based on pH. So this is what normal cabbage should look like, red cabbage after it's cooked, and it's a purple. Cabbage is normally at about a pH of 6, so it's slightly acidic, but pretty close to neutral. So show me your lemon juice. You can see here how the lemon juice changed it to quite a green color. The green is due to the acidity, and the pigments of cabbage change their color based on whatever pH this is in. So this is about a pH 2 right now, pretty green color. Let's take a look at the one with baking soda. So now you can see this beautiful pink color. This is sort of a fuchsia color. This was the baking soda, and you can see that it's turned pretty pink. At this point, it's about a pH of 8, 8.5, somewhere around in there. So you get a nice hue of different colors based on just what the cooking liquid is that the cabbage is boiled in. Nice job, Lexi.
Thank you.